happen. They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it, ayy.
Alright, you guys, good morning. Good morning, y'all. So, I didn't talk while I was brushing. Hold up. Oh. Alright, y'all, so I wasn't talking while I was in the bathroom because it's early, you know, people are sleeping. And so what I'm basically doing today is 25 push-up entire Durag under a minute challenge. All right, so woke up super early. There's no space in the house to do the push-ups, so I'm gonna go to the dojo real quick, you feel me, open up and then do the video over there. All right, so I'll see y'all soon. All right, good. So guys, I'm just gonna warm up, you know, get my muscles ready before I start doing the push-ups. And yeah, this video shouldn't be that long, so yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, y'all, so I'm just warming up right now, feel me? Warming up before I start this challenge. You know, you gotta be safe. You know, you can't just go into push-ups after you ain't doing them in a year, you feel me? You gotta warm up so you won't tear any muscles. I mean, I'm doing 25 push-ups, that's a lot. Sheesh. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, so we about to start. Give me like 10 seconds, y'all. Starting now. Oh, this is harder than I expected, yeah. Get your 216 wavy Durag. Link in my description. Use my discount code. 360 juice. Oh, come on, son. My junk's still 26. Oh, that's shit. That's crazy. Yo, this junk keep getting stuck, bro. Oh, nah, that ain't count. That don't count. I don't got a mirror. Yo. That was harder than I expected, man. This Durag looking stupid. I'm tired. Alright, y'all, so that's it for this video. I'm out of breath, so excuse me for that. I thought it would be easy, you know, but it was actually hard. So I was watching somebody do it and I'm like, yo, this super light, man. It's light work, it's light work. And I tried it and it was hard. So don't judge a challenge by its cover. I challenge you watching this. I challenge you to do this challenge. I'm saying challenge too much, but do this challenge and post it on Instagram and tag me in it, and I'm gonna repost you. Bet you can't do it. Reppin' Time Fitness. I challenge you too, Reppin' Time Fitness. Do this challenge and post it on your YouTube or post it on your Instagram, whatever social media, and let me know about it, alright? Cause I bet you can't do it. But alright, y'all, that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, comment, and if you're new to my channel, smash that subscribe button for me, y'all. And I'm out of here. Peace.